Customer experience for us is measuring how a customer feels on every interaction they have with us on every part of the journey. The Amazon Connect enables us to build a foundational for a journey that we wanted to go on for a number of years. We wanted a platform that would enable us to be an AI-first ready platform. We knew Amazon investment in that space would help us to keep us ahead of the curve. So it aligned us very well to us being a very AI-native, customer-centric organization. The way we look at AI isn't to necessarily replace the people, but actually give them superpowers. We amplify what people can do with the ability that AI offers for them to do their day job. A key part of our success has been our partnership with AWS, which is really proud of, because they've been really side by side to us on throughout the journey. We have an in-house team that the AWS themselves helped us upskill with their own training, but also provide solution architects that we can actually leverage to build on that journey. They came to offices for a few times where we actually worked with the whole tech department, and that helped really build the internal buy-in and the confidence that Amazon Connect platform offers to the internal users as well.